Hello friends, today I would like to talk about spider plant. The scientific name of this spider plant is Chlorophytum Comosum. This plant is also known as ribbon plant or spider ivy. This is a perennial plant and belongs to Propagation family, and it's one of the most adaptable plants and the easiest to grow household plant. Now this plant is called spider plant because of these small spider-like leaves or spiderets that are attached to the mother plant, and they're dangling from the mother plant, which gives them a look of a spider sitting on the web. So that's why they are called spider plants, and also because its leaves are beautiful like ribbon, beautifully striped with white, green, and sometimes yellowish, and they look like a ribbon. So some people also call it as ribbon plant. This plant is available in green and many other variegated varieties. These are very tough plants and can tolerate lots of abuse, which makes these plants an excellent candidate for newbie gardeners and those without a green thumb. These plants are very easy, as I said, to take care of. All they need is a well-drained soil and bright indirect sunlight. So indirect sunlight means that you can keep them under your patio, you can keep them next to your window where they receive indirect sunlight, because if they get a lot of direct sunlight, then their leaves get burnt and they might lose a lot of water in direct sunlight, and then the leaves turn brown in color. Also, you need to take care is to water them regularly, because these plants love water, but you need to make sure that the plant does not sit in water for a long time, because then there are chances of the roots developing root rot and the plant might die. These plants can survive a wide range of conditions. They can tolerate the temperature low up to 2 degrees Celsius, but they grow their best and faster in the temperatures between 18 to 32 degrees Celsius. So, and also according to NASA Clean Air study, it shows that this plant is effective in removing the common household air toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, which also makes this plant a perfect air purifier. So it's a must-have plant for any household, I think. And also they look quite beautiful with these spiderets and these beautiful leaves coming out. You can use them as a pot plant, where you can keep it in a pot, a smaller pot or a larger pot. And also you can use it as a hanging plant. I'll show you. Now this is one of my hanging plants, and I have kept this one in my patio outside, and it looks beautiful. As you can see, it looks beautiful with all those spiderets, all these spiderets hanging out of the plant. So it's a beautiful plant in the hanging basket as well, and you can keep it in a pot as well. Now we'll talk about propagation of this plant. So this plant is very, very easy to propagate. All you need to see is that when these spiderets, these little spiderets, these babies, when they grow in size and they develop quite a good root system under here. If you can see at the moment, there are no roots, just a tiny node there, here, a tiny node over here. So the root system is not quite well developed at the moment. So you can leave it there attached to the mother plant, but when you see that these spiderets have grown quite beautiful in size, they are quite big in size, and the root system has developed in a sense that the roots are quite big in size and they can be put under the soil. Then you can detach these spider plants, detach these babies from the mother plant, snip it up from here and pop them in a cup of water. Or if the roots are very well developed, you can directly place them in a pot of soil which is moist and well drained. You can put them in soil, and there you go, all your new spider plant is ready. And maybe, let's say, in a couple of weeks you might see your spider plant leaves growing beautifully. So here I will show you that I have taken some of these spiderette cuttings from the mother plant, and I have popped them in a cup of water. So when the roots of this plant are quite fleshy and big, I'll show you this one here, they're quite big and fleshy. So if they are, this is called like well developed root system. So if your spider plant has got this type of root system, you can directly pop them into the soil and they'll grow well. But if they're quite small, then you might need to take that cutting from the plant, take this cutting from the plant and then place them in a cup of water for a few weeks. And when you see that the root system is developing now, then you can put them in a pot or in a hanging pot, in a basket, wherever you want them to be. Like in this one, I'll show you the root system is also good. It's nicely well developed. So here what you can do, you can detach these two from here, from between, and put them at different places. So when they grow, they cover the whole pot evenly and they look beautiful. So friends, it's quite easy to propagate this plant. It's quite easy to take care of this plant, and they look amazingly beautiful, and they clean up your house by removing all the toxic gases from your household air, making it a nice clean air for you and your kids to breathe in. So it's a perfect to have a plant in your house. This hanging basket, so this plant, I can say it's an year old, and I have made this basket out of the same mother plant. So this was a small so this plant, spider plant, was a small baby plant which came out of this mother plant, and now, as you can see, after a year it has grown into a well developed plant and has started giving out babies like this one here, this one. So they look quite beautiful, very beautiful, hanging in a basket. This one more I started, I'll take it off and show you. This plant, these are also the babies of the same mother plant, which I have taken, I can say, a month ago. A month ago, and they look like this at the moment, beautiful green. They haven't grown too much at the moment, but soon, maybe in more 2 to 3 months, these leaves would grow big and it will cover the whole pot evenly. And I'll show you one more pot, and this is one more hanging basket which I have made out of the same mother plant. So this mother plant has given me till now 3 baskets of baby spider plants, and they look beautiful. I have hanged them in my patio, I have hanged them in my house inside, and they look amazing. So hope you liked watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and share button. For any comments, please leave your comments in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching my video.